Here from Eightcap. Welcome to a new week of trading, and today we're looking at the dollar yen. So obviously we saw what happened to the dollar on Friday after the US employment data. It was a very strong session, and it started to really point at a potential breakout continuation higher. So the dollar index, for instance, closed at new weekly highs and new. I think it was new monthly highs as well. So far today, we've seen more action from buyers pushing higher. There was some comments from Fed Chair Powell, as he was interviewed on 60 Minutes today. He sort of just some of the comments have been really touched on previously. The FOMC, no rate cut in March. These sort of aspects that we've already heard. So the dollar has traded a bit higher. Has seen a bit of a fade. There's a really decent resistance level against the dollar at the moment on 104.10, 104.12, and the yen is pushing up a little bit today as well. Even though we are seeing positive on the dollar yen at this stage, we can see right here a fair bit of resistance still putting through at this area here. What's interesting about this area, it used to be a former support area that was broken, and now it's that support point is turning into a resistance area. And what we really want to see here, traders, is this really nice bullish bar that we saw on Friday. Even if we do see a pullback, we want to see a break at this resistance level here, and then a move back up to test this previous resistance level, which is here. Now, this level is a bit strategic because it was a previous high. And without getting too far ahead of ourselves, if we do see a nice break above and close above this level here, then we are starting to see a confirmed continuation pattern after Friday's very strong bullish session. Now, if we do see a move back below this area here, that would be a worry. A move through the trend lines a worry as well. It could be suggesting that we could see more of a fail here with limited buyer demand and momentum, and that could easily turn around, and we could see further selling and this trend pick back up, and even a move through the trend line, which could, who knows, get back to test this previous longer term trend line down at this area around here. Now, what we are going to keep an eye on at the moment, we can see the moving averages are pointing up. We have a nice cross, have a nice continuation pattern here. Buyers have control. The issue is this area here, the supply and resistance. And what we really want to see is a break of that level. If we do, then we'll be looking for further bullish momentum and price action to continue onwards from buyers. And then we'll be looking up at this area if we get back there. So, but I think the real there's not a lot of USD news. There's nothing really key coming out. We've got unemployment claims and ISM data as well. So it's going to be a good test to see just how strong this USD buy momentum is after Friday's payrolls, and if it was a bit of a knee-jerk reaction or if there's going to be more to it. So we'll continue to see that. But yeah, for now, traders, if you're on the buy side, we really want to see a break of this resistance. And if we do see a stall and a fallback down to these levels here, it's a bit of a worry, and we'll have to reassess from there. So that's it for today's update, and thank you very much for your time. Also, keep an eye on US index. We are watching them as well. The US 30 had a bit of a fade on Friday into Saturday morning our time, and sellers are back at it again today. And also the US 2000 is also leading lower in the futures, but the NDX 100 is slightly higher, and the SPX 500 is lower as well. So thanks very much for your time. Good trading to you, and bye for now.